progressive journalism, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates.
"5G internet has been one of the biggest buzzwords in tech world from past few years. It is said that this generation of internet will transform our tech world completely. But 5G has also been in a lot of headlines for suspicions that it will expose us to more security breaches, privacy concerns, and even affect our health. But what exactly is 5G? What is all this buzz about? We'll tell you. 5G is the fifth generation of mobile networks. It is a new global wireless standard after 1G, which introduced analog voice, 2G, which introduced digital voice, 3G, which brought mobile data, and 4G LTE, which ushered in the era of mobile broadband networks. 5G enables a new kind of network that is designed to connect virtually everyone and everything together, including machines, objects, and devices. 5G promises to provide more reliability, connectivity in the network, massive network capacity, increased availability, and it can significantly deliver up to 20 gigabytes per second peak data rates and 100 plus megabytes per second average data rates with comparatively lower latency than 4G. It seems like an evolution for our increasingly tech-reliant society. The global operators started launching 5G in early 2019, and more people are expected to get familiar with the 5G network. While many government agencies and organizations advise that there is absolutely no reason to be alarmed about the effects of radio frequency waves on our health, some experts strongly disagree. According to the World Health Organization, there is very limited research on the frequencies used in 5G, and the results are inconsistent. However, WHO is conducting a health risk assessment from exposure to radio frequencies covering the entire frequency range including 5G, which is to be published by 2022, for which many health experts argue that by then the 5G network will already be implemented. What are your views on this? Let us know in the comments, and keep watching Salar for more such updates.